hood if you didn't do this. Oh yeah. What's going on, guys? Spears Garage back with another video. So how the YouTubers do it? Or you gotta be more calm. Whatever. But today we're gonna get started assessing the damage of the Trans Am. Hey! Interrupt me like that. But first I gotta run to the store to get coronavirus. So when I get the stuff, get to the getting store, I'll holler back at you. Give me a second. Roll this window up so y'all can hear me. But yeah, they didn't have what I needed. I needed like a propane torch. But I think our torch at home may have some fuel in it. I don't know. We'll find out when I get there. Yeah, like I said, they didn't have what I needed. But here's the Trans Am. All tore up. So sad to see. Look how she bent steel. This is ridiculous, yo. This is like Bondo. Bondo or very thick paint? Let's see. So I hope you can. Let me check this right quick. Oh yeah. Oh, that's perfect. I just hope the wind noise isn't too bad. But as you can see, she this is air suspension. You can see she broke this off the mount, so I gotta pull this off and see how I'm gonna remount it. The leaf spring, oh man, I might have to take this off. Yeah, I'm not sure if you can see it back here. The leaf spring is all, actually, you know, right here doesn't look too bad. But back here, yeah. So, that needs to be replaced. This is the main reason the tires are torqued. But hey, if it doesn't look good on one side, at least the other side looks good, kind of. Yeah, so today we're going to be trying to put bushings in the new leaf spring. Like I mentioned in the last video, I have the leaf spring, the air ride's already here, I have the bushings already here. I just need to order the quarter panel, and honestly, this thing is almost ready to get back on the road. Like, honestly, oh, rims. I want to do a different set of rims. Comment below, send me some links or something. Show me some rims. Also, paint job. I'm not going back flat. I want to go like black with like some kind of metallic, maybe like a blue metallic, like a midnight blue metallic type thing or something like that, just to match the interior. I think that'd be pretty dope. And maybe some bucket seats, because I'm probably gonna have to pull this whole interior out because oh, this door isn't open. But like all right here is a little rusty, I guess, from sitting in it a lot. And yeah, like I said, stole my speakers, ripped out the wiring. I just did it down there. And yeah. So, you know, more, oh, I guess I need a new wing too. I forgot about that. I need to order this piece when I order my quarter panel. I'm gonna do LED tail lights too. I think that'd be dope. And replace this, because this actually never stayed, but I was gonna get to that eventually. This thing almost looks like it has overspray on it. Anyways, I'm gonna go back down to the shop and see you in a second. Let me show you right quick what we got parts wise. Let's do it. All right, so like I said a while ago, this is air suspension. I'm not sure if you ever heard of this, but you just basically hook it up to like an air hose. It's not like air ride, you know, where you can control it with the remote and you got compressors and all that. No, this one you just hook up to like an air compressor and you'll air it up. But these things are freaking beefy. I guess it's like for pulling trailers or something, but a lot of people put them on cars. But yeah, this is gonna look dope. Yeah, see, it just goes up in there, which I don't look at it. Is it like, huh? Weird. But yeah, it goes up in there sitting like this if you're looking at the car, and there's two bolts on each side. And this piece right here, there's a metal piece on the old one that's just like a thin metal piece. It's literally vertical, so this bolt is like just smushed up against the metal piece, if that makes any sense. I hope that makes sense. And then, like I said a while ago, we have the we have the bushings that go inside the leaf spring because anytime you change out leaf springs, you really want to do bushings. I need to get shackles, but I might do that down the line. I'm not worried about it right now. I just want to get the car running and driving. And bushings are really, honestly, the worst part of doing anything with leaf springs, honestly. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna jack up the car and put this side on one stand so I can take off this tire, because this is gonna be a pain in the butt to, well, actually, yeah, I need to be able to lay down because I'm gonna have to, I might be able to hammer that. Where's the malice? Haha. Use a little persuasion on them. See, I'm gonna have room so I can travel. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna be able to do anything like that. So I'm gonna have to put this on a jack and hope to goodness I don't die when I hit this. So give me like 10 years. All right, I'll be back. You don't realize how much time video takes up until you actually do it. Like I just got the car on jacks and I was getting ready to, you know, record my progress, and I think my camera just overheated, so I've been sitting here fiddling with it. Yeah, shout out to all the YouTubers that do this for a living, because God, this must take hours. Let me just check to make sure. Cool. Alright, so anyways, like I just said, car's on jacks. I'm gonna take off this tire over here. Yo, let me tell you, if you ain't got an impact battery powered, what you doing, Holmes? I don't know what you doing, but change your life, boy. Change your life for sure. Watch this, watch this. Okay. Oh. You see that? More power, baby. More power. Like it's butter. Butter. Too easy. Were those even tight? No comment. Gosh, dude. Look at that carnage. This is a brand new set of tires Hayden just bought. Hayden, I'm not sure if you watched the last video, but if you're watching this one, like I said, big shout out to you. Man, this is just an unfortunate event that honestly, it's not that bad. I mean, this is really fixable. It's like this quarter panel, it's not even that expensive, honestly. The most expensive piece is probably gonna be the paint. And I mean, that'd probably be maybe $2 grand. But let me, actually, we'll go over that at the end of the video. First things first, that's weird. It should spin because the drive shaft is actually, oh, it's on the ground. That might be why it's so difficult. Yeah, the drive shaft slipped out because the axle was like torqued some weird way. But all that was straightened out once we get this new leaf spring and this piece one. But like I said, I'm about to use a little persuasion here to see if I can bend this back out. And yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to. I might have to. Leave it up to me to hit the hole, miss the hole. That's something I do. I'll be back. I need to find a board or something. the last time I was recording, which was like 2 days ago now. So yeah, it's 2 days ago, and I was recording, taking off the suspension over here, as you can see. Yeah, we got the suspension off. Me and my dad was talking, and what were we talking about? Oh, we're talking about this back here. This will probably be okay, but unfortunately this axle has like a bend in it, so I'm going to drop this whole thing and check it out. And it looks like the jacks have sunk, because this thing is pretty low to the ground. I'm going to have to relocate them anyway to this frame part right here. So that's what I'm getting ready to do. Ooh, wind noise is about to be bad today. Be prepared for that. God, heavy bastard. Let's just hope my GoPro acts right today, because the past couple times I've been recording, it's been on one. All right, let's give this a shot. That is going so slow. Why? Oh my gosh, it went down quite a bit. Look at that. We did get some rain here, so that'll explain why I did that. Plus, these old cars aren't exactly the lightest. A little bit more. It is so humid today. Like, if y'all ain't from Oklahoma, you live in like Vegas or something, don't get me wrong, Vegas is hot, but it ain't Oklahoma hot. With the sun going right now, it's still like, probably feels like 85 degrees. It's so humid, so humid. Look how high this is. I wouldn't recommend trying this at home, even though I am at home. And yes, we do have a shop, but my dad's 73 Mach 1, you probably seen the other videos in there, and my 66 F100, my truck is actually about to come home, which will be in a later video. It's done from the paint shop. I wish I would have recorded the process of it, because it was an insane build. No, that's not right. That one's on a bolt. Stop. See if I can get you a good angle of this like bend. I don't know if I can get you a good angle. We'll get one when we take it out. I swear to goodness, if this thing one more time goes to time lapse, sorry about that. This is why I check this so often. Give me 1 second. Sorry about the time lapse. I guess there's a time lapse for you. That was totally unintentional. So back to what I was doing. I was saying a while ago, if you don't have a battery operated impact, I don't know what you're doing with your life. You're goofing. Yo, this ain't even a Milwaukee. This is a whatever that says, and it puts in work, like for real. Oh. But I mean, hey, Milwaukee, I know you ain't watching, but if somehow you are, I will take one. 2. Nah, 1. I don't want to be greedy. So first things first, we're gonna take off this suspension. As you can see, I was talking about earlier, these are air ride, kind of like pulling stuff, shocks. And there's a bolt here. There's 2 bolts up there, which I don't know how I'm gonna get, honestly. I think that one's a 1/2 inch. What are you? Look, it's a tick. Little bastard. I'm so sick of y'all. Going somewhere. I guess these vice grips would do. I don't think it should be that tight. They look fairly new. Maybe. Tighten it a little bit more. Yeah, nah, it ain't tight. Just, pinch the poop out of me. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Alright. Kinda nervous. Cause this, it's like the main thing holding this up. Besides the leaf spring. If I should do that after the leaf spring, so it'd be like less tension. It's loose, so I might do that. Connects right. Oh wow. Excuse me? Come again? How the HE double hockey sticks am I gonna get that out? Alright, but basically there's bolts here, and there's bolts right there, and right, I'm not sure if you can see here. I'm gonna take those off. Yo, peep this, Milwaukee. You see that? Yeah, where the sponsors at, yo? Like I said, I'm gonna give it a shot. Not sure how. I'm sorry, it's so humid out here, yo. I sound like I'm dying, probably. I am dying. Shit. Oh, maybe y'all get to see me die. Woo, that's loud. Excuse me? Can I have my bolt back? I would like my bolt back. Yes, I lost that bolt. Didn't I just say it's black, you can't lose it? Dude, these bolts are so loose, I might not have to use them. No way. You're bullcrapping me. Who's seen that in there? Don't you lie. Say it in the comments. Who's seen that in there? There is no way that was in there. Put some. If I hit my head on the car one more time, because this should be the last bolt. Okay. Extendo clip. See? Told you. Oh, the suspension's still hooked up too, so it's not gonna go very far. See? Hey, 10,000 IQ play. Maybe. Find out right here. F in chat. Cool. Yo, look at this. I seen that one was in there. Popo don't know that though. Who actually watched the end of the video and seen that part? I guess let me move this exhaust, and when it gets time to get this axle off. Actually, let me just get to the point where I'm gonna get the axle off. What I'm gonna do, take that bolt off, take the suspension off, and probably take off this bolt, just like the other side. I'm gonna do the same thing over here. So I'm gonna do that right quick, and yeah, I'll get right back to you.